And good morning, everyone. Welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where I talk about foreign exchange trading, prop firm trading, and hopefully making money doing all those things. If we play our cards right and do our homework, we have a strong chance at making money doing this. So here is the risk disclaimer, since we're going to be talking about real trades and real trading situations. This channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute trading or financial advice. I'm a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration. I should throw in there that I am a funded trader with Audacity Capital. I'm trading a $7,500 account and also have a $30,000 challenge going right now too. Forex trading is highly speculative with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade the funds you can comfortably afford to lose. And then here we have the CFTC risk disclosure. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before trading Forex, or futures for that matter, consider your investment objectives, experience, or risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital. So let's go ahead and get into what's on the docket for today. Right here, let's see what we've got going on as far as event risk. We don't have any. We've got absolutely zero going on today. Light event risk, not sure, not a whole lot of anything going on. I did start trading my, do have an order in. I don't have any active trades in right now for the, for gold, but we'll get into that in just a second. Let's go over here first. Come up to the DXY, and DXY's kind of perk up a little bit on the daily chart. Not really anything worth, I mean, it's not really a going gangbusters or anything. It's not really a major trend that's happening right now, but it is kind of meandering up to the upside a little bit. Close to, it's at 48, 45 right now. Right, just about 98 and a half, not 48, 98 and a half, which is kind of a, I consider it kind of a psychological level. Any 0 or half or 25 or 75 for that matter are psychological levels, and price tends to stop there. Euro versus the dollar, which is it's been seen as the antithesis of the DXY chart because it goes in the exact opposite direction. You know, he's trying to eat my face. It's kind of stuck right here at the same place it's been pretty much all year. 117.20, except for a few deviations to the underside and to the upper side. 127.50 seems to be the average price of the, pardon me, 117.20 seems to be the average price for the euro versus the dollar. Again, there's not going to be a whole lot going on today anyway because it's the day after a holiday. The American guys are still on vacation. It probably will be until Monday or Tuesday. So there's not going to be a whole lot going on. If anything happens, it'll happen in the late in the market or early in the London markets. But here we have the euro versus the dollar. Pardon me, euro dollar versus the yen. So 156.87. It's a little bit not as again, not really going anywhere either. Just kind of hanging out. Came off a little bit off of the 2005 Open, so we'll see what happens with that. Pound versus the dollar, again, coming down a little bit more than the euro versus the dollar, which is interesting. Henry off the speaker, off the microphone for a minute. It's at 134.39, so it's again just kind of hanging out a little bit. Pound versus the yen, 210.83. Wait for it to break out again to get over this 211 level. 211.70 would be a good entry point. So right now it's just meandering back and forth right there. I would not touch that right now. However, I do look for upside strength as a weakening with a weakening yen. Euro versus the matter of fact, let's see what's going on with the currency strength o-meter, and pound. Dollar versus the yen is just about equal right now. Aussie versus the dollar are going gangbusters because it's the first trading day of the year. And then we have dollar versus the CAD. Euro versus the dollar, again, not really. That's doing less than the pound versus the yen. I wouldn't even touch that today. Dollar versus the CAD, not a whole lot going on there either. Just looks like a nice pin candle forming right there, which should give us some strength to the upside on that. Or the other way to look at that is a solid rejection at 137.25. So we'll see how that candle closes at the end of the day. CAD versus the yen right there is not really going anywhere either. Nothing to do today so far. Ooh, nice doji for the oil. For the NYMEX oil, it's not going. It's going even fewer places than everywhere else is. Dollar versus Aussie versus the dollar. Again, not a whole lot going on there either. It is kind of matching the previous candle almost. So we'll see if that can continue to come back up to about 66.96, just about 67 proper, and that'll be might give it a good leg to go further, you go higher on Aussie strength versus and U.S. dollar weakness. Gold perking up again, 34.94, pardon me, 43.94. Approaching 4,400 again. It'd be a nice place for it to break through again. Previous level was about looks like about 43.57, which is the previous record high. Monday, October 20th, Tuesday. So that's something to definitely consider. Matter of fact, platinum is up 6% today. So platinum is coming off of its bounciness and getting some footing again. Maybe it's got a long way to go to get footing again before we go back to this crazy hyperbolic move that started on 10 December. I guess Christmas is over. People are not buying platinum diamond rings anymore. Who knows? Silver's tapering off a little bit, but still has not overcome its new high of 76.14. We're looking for that to hit. 74.45. Not sure I'm going to touch that. It's a little bit too close to 74.50. And I don't see a whole lot of momentum going forward either. That's the thing that I look for in this is momentum of the trade. Do something I did like on the gold trade right here was a bit of a horizontal line. Can I draw a vertical line? Yeah, I can. Right here, coinciding with MACD on December the 30th. I do see that MACD change right there. Hot line is going over the small line, indicating something. Okay, I got that backwards. It should be a selling point, not a buying point. But then again, there's also very light volume too, so it's not something to get into. As far as trading goes today, I do have an order in at 44.12 just in case it blows out today. I don't see it doing that. But then the gold traders never know what's happening at the gold desk. Now this is the line that's looked like it's better on the 4-hour chart. That's on the MACD right here. Got a crossover right here. Looks like it's starting to get gaining momentum a little bit. Green, and in the acceleration-deceleration histogram, it's kind of starting to look like it's gaining some momentum too. So maybe this trade will fall, maybe it won't. We shall certainly find out. And then I did the same thing over here on the my account here. Exact same trade, 44.12 with gold. We'll see if it goes in. If not, I'll probably delete it by the end of the day. So you guys, because weird things happen over the weekend. You guys have a great one. I will talk to you later. If you like this video, then by all means hit the like button and like like what I'm doing, like the video. If you have any comments, by all means comment on them. Check out our shorts yesterday. We went out to Portland Headlight yesterday, so that was some kicks. And also one more thing. If the comments, if you want to know when I'm going to be putting out more videos or more shorts, or if we're gallivanting around New England, then subscribe to the channel and you'll get notified of when we have a new one coming out. So you guys have a great one. We'll talk to you later. Bye.